Hey everyone, welcome to the basic section of our After Effects tutorial. So in this topic, I will give you a brief introduction to the layout of the After Effects. You can see on the screen that this is the layout of the After Effects. I will tell you about the layout briefly. So in the left side, this is project panel. Here we can import our videos, solids, audio and other assets that you want. Whatever you import in the After Effects, firstly it will show up here. Then we have these files, edit and composition and other stuff. I will explain these one by one. Let me tell you about the files first. Basically, here you can save, import and export the projects, and in the edit, we will duplicate, copy, cut and paste. So these types of things. In composition, I will tell you briefly about this in the next topic. This is the layer. By this we can make new layer of solids or graphics, masking and many more things. Then we have effects. We have 3D channel, audio, basically many effects that we will talk about in the future topic. Then here is animation. In this we will do text and basic animation. Then in the view, we have zoom in and zoom out. Or you can change the resolution. Then by the window, we will add some more panel to the workspace. But these are enough for us. Then here is help. Here you got some of the hints about the tutorials. I am also here to help you about the After Effects. So after that, we have composition. I will tell you how you can create the composition in the next topic. I will take a simple example so that you can understand the other layout. I am just creating a default composition. Just click OK. Then it will create a default composition. Here you can see the video preview that will help you to edit your videos. Then we have the info panel. By this you can see the information of your layer. Then in the side, you can see the audio. Here you can adjust the audio of the layer in the preview. We basically stop, pause, or move the clip frame by frame. After that, we have these effects and presets. In this we have so many effects that we will use in our videos. We also talk about this deeply in our upcoming videos. Then here is our timeline. This whole thing is the saw timeline. So in the left side of it, we stack up the layers. And in the right side, it shows the timeline of the layers. You can see that 30-second timeline is created. In this, your video layer will show up. To give you a simple example, let me import a picture. Here is the picture of a hand. I will just quickly import this. I will just drag it. And here you have to drop it in the project panel. Any type of video, audio, or picture that you want to import will show up here. Then we have to grab and drop this picture to the timeline. You can drop it here, but also you can drop it here. Let me increase the size of the preview window and set it to 50. Let me decrease it a little bit again. Now you can see the timeline of the picture. Here you can see the picture. Now I will quickly animate this. First thing, let me place this hand here. If I want to animate it, here is the small arrow in the timeline left side. You can see if I open this, you can see the transform. Then again, when I open it, you can see the options. You just have to make a keyframe of the position. And then after few seconds, make another keyframe and I will drag this picture to the right side. By this, I created the simple animation. You can see this is the timeline of the video. And these are the layers. I think now you understand about the After Effects layer. So this is all about the introduction to basic layout of Adobe After Effects. So in the next topic, we will talk about how we can create a composition. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.